Another day, another episode na naman to, guys. Let's go. Yo, what up? It's your bro Curl. Ngayon gagawa naman tayo ng flyers design. Inumpisahan ko sa conceptualization. Dito pinaplano kung paano ko gagawin yung dati kong ginawang konsepto na dyaryo na ginawa ko dati sa Randrel Sneaker Store, Cubao. Bale yun, nilagyan ko na ng picture shapes na naayon sa aking plano. Naglagay na rin ako ng text for more details about sa price list and services na ino-offer ng Randrel Barber. Yan dapat grounded para mukhang dyaryo. Tapos nagdagdag ako ng guide map sa likod. Okay, approved na, payment na. Enjoy the montage.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
Comment your thoughts. Follow me for more content like this and for you to learn, to earn, to invest, and grow on art and business. It's your bro Carl. I'm out. Peace. Message mo ako kung gusto mo ng free t-shirt and sneakers. Re-replyan agad kita. Sundin mo yung instruction.